What's up, guys? Just want to do a quick video on my buddy's 2015 mt09. Just did a couple things for him on it. You know, he had some of these stickers on the front windscreen, but I just added some white to it. I got a bunch of stickers from one of my sponsors, hooliganstickers.com, and wanted to hook his bike up a little bit with him too. So he didn't really have any white at all. So I wanted to kind of incorporate some white on his bike, so it just makes the stickers on the wheels pop. So you can see, and then he's got the silver, almost ghosted out FZ09 stickers. So I think it came out pretty good. It looks really clean. I put the blacked out Yamaha emblem on both sides as well. These fork covers, I guess I had two sets. I have no idea where I got them from, but I guess I bought two sets for my Ducati Hypermotard. This is an old set. They're not perfect, but they just really black out the rest of his front end on his forks. We wrapped these a while ago. And I actually just touched them up a little bit, fixed them because some of the wrap was kind of coming off the back where we cut it open. But anyways, yeah, the shock covers. I guess I had two sets from my Ducati Hypermotard. I've always had this one, I thought, and I dug these out when I was looking for some pinstriping last night for his bike. So I was like, sweet. So it just kind of completes the look. But I think it came out nice. I think just the little bit of white accents here and there make it pop. They catch the wheel stickers. I think it looks sharp. So there you can see a blacked out symbol. But yeah, I think it's just enough on there. All the white here and here. He's got the Lex Tech exhaust, which sounds amazing. I don't love what his headers are doing here, and it's just they're kind of changing funky, dirty colors, which, you could see the Aero exhaust on mine, which just looks super clean. But anyways, both bikes are looking good inside the house. Makes me miss my old 2015. I had a 15 the same color as well, and it looks good. He's got rear sets on his. I did the once over on his bike, just tightened everything down and fixed a couple of things on it, but I think it looks pretty good. I do miss this color. Man, it does look good. It looks so sharp in person. So anyways, let me know what you guys think with a little bit of white on there and with the silver and black. But all right, guys, see ya.